Hello everyone. Do you want to eat something very chatpata and very tasty which can be made within 5-10 minutes? Then come. Let's make biscuit toppings or biscuit Sev Puri or biscuit canapes, whatever you tell. But they are really mouth-watering. Come, let's start. We need Monaco biscuits, Sev or very fine bhujia, boiled mashed potatoes, green coriander chutney, tamarind chutney, cheese slices, finely chopped and sliced tomatoes, and finely chopped and sliced onions. So let us begin. Now in a bowl we'll add mashed potatoes, chopped onions, tomatoes and salt and mix it with. Now after mixing, we'll start making our toppings. We'll take the biscuits, put the mixed on it, then we'll put green chutney. Remember to do it a bit fast because if we keep it for a long time, the biscuits will become soft. Then we'll put tamarind chutney and then these Sev. Looks very beautiful. We'll make topping sandwiches. We'll take biscuits and then on that we'll put this mashed potatoes, tomatoes and onions batter. Tomato mixture, and then we'll put one biscuit on the other, and then we'll put chutney around it. Wrap it with this Sev, put on the plate and then just wrap it around it. The other one also. In this way our topping sandwiches are ready. Biscuits are very small. We'll cut these cheese into 4 parts. Now we'll start making our next topping. First we'll put this cheese slice and put the other biscuit on it. Another cheese slice. Then we'll put the sliced tomatoes and onion. And then green coriander chutney and tamarind chutney, and then Sev. In this way our very beautiful toppings are ready. Now it's time for a special tip. If you don't have this tamarind chutney, then you can also use tomato sauce. Now our yummy biscuit toppings are ready. Whose mouth will not water by seeing these?